Good morning, Thursday, August 25th. Being a Thursday, you can find all my work at MLBDFSweather.com and on Twitter, MLBDFSweather. I'll be updating as we get closer to the games and keeping a close eye on the radar, making sure that we're informed of all the rain that's going on and any changes with wind and temperatures as well. Speaking of rain, we have a real quiet evening and day with 11 games, 2 of them afternoon, 9 night in terms of postponements or delays. I'm not expecting any postponements or delays tonight. The two places I'll be watching carefully is St. Louis. Here's the 7 p.m. radar, 8 p.m. radar. We have some weak thunderstorms that are approaching the area that are expected to die as they get closer. And the other place is in Dallas, well, Arlington, Texas, but we use the Dallas simulated radar because it's right there. Here's Arlington GKY. You can see that there are a few showers and thunderstorms around the area, but look how widely scattered they are. Nothing to be overly concerned of. With that, the really non-issue in terms of delays or postponements, we then look at what parks are good for hitters and which ones are pitchers. So we can go to my chart here and we can sort. It looks like the best hitting ranking that I have is in Texas, as it's the wind's blowing in from center, but actually some people have said that helps the balls carry out to right and center as the wind bounces off a structure behind home plate. And it's warm. It's still summertime in Texas. Well, it's still summertime everywhere, just temperatures have come down a little bit. Temperatures near 90 to start in Texas means air density is low and the balls will carry. Then we have several other parks that I rate as 7: Arizona, Milwaukee, Chicago, Toronto, Washington, Minnesota. All varying degrees of either wind blowing out or low air density. Should note Minnesota's a day game, winds blowing out strongly to center field. That park may play quite a bit differently than it normally does, especially when you compare it to a night game. Also note the roofs in Milwaukee should be open, while in Toronto will be closed. In Arizona, I really have no idea how they'll handle it. I assumed the roof was going to be closed, but I could see it being open. Temperatures will be in the mid-90s to start the game, and then will fall to near 90. Not sure how they will exactly they'll handle that. Good pitching environments. I like Milwaukee and Tampa Bay. Those are the obvious ones that every day you can count on for being Miami and Tampa Bay. I think I said Milwaukee as good for the pitchers, and I don't see any exception to the rule today. That's my video for today. Follow me on Twitter. Like I said, I will update you as we get closer to the game. Make sure nothing pops up. Have a good one.